In this video, I will show you how to turn on or turn off RCS chat on Android. So let's get started. So first of all, what is RCS chat? So RCS means Rich Communication Services. These are chats that provide an upgrade, rich messaging experience. So basically, this is when you can send pictures on your SMS or multimedia message. So that is RCS. This is the feature that allows you to send multimedia photos, videos, or any other attachments. So how do we turn this on or off? First, we want to go to our messaging app. Now we want to tap on the three dots at the right side of our screen and go to settings. So here you will see a lot of messages settings. What we want to do is go to chat settings. And as you can see, on the very first option or setting says chat features. So this chat features is basically the RCS chat feature. So here we can just toggle it on or off. So that is how you can toggle turn on or turn off your RCS chat on your Android device. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.